Lord Odin, the Mead of poetry, written by Meta AI. In the realms of Asgard, where gods do roam, Odin sought wisdom and a poet's home. He heard of a mead brewed with magic might, granting verse and vision to those who drink in the night. Mead of poetry, sweet and divine, Odin's quest for the muses' shrine. With ravens and wolves he did strive to claim the mead and the poet's pride. He traveled far through realms of ice and fire, encountering giants with hearts full of desire. Scepter's halls where the mead was stored, Odin's cunning and magic would be explored. Made of poetry, sweet and divine, Odin's quest for the muses' shrine. With ravens and wolves he did stride to claim the mead and the poet's pride. As he sipped the mead, his eyes did gleam with verse and wisdom, his heart did beam. The poet's gift, now his to command, Odin's legacy forever to expand. Made of poetry, sweet and divine, Odin's quest for the muses' shrine. With ravens and wolves he did strive to claim the mead and the poet's pride. Now in Asgard the mead does flow, inspiring gods and mortals below. Odin's gift to the world of art, the mead of poetry forever in our hearts. The mead of poetry, also known as Odin's gift, is said to grant the drinker enhanced creativity, wisdom, and poetic prowess. According to the myth, Odin stole the mead from the giant Scepter and shared it with the gods and humans, spreading the gift of poetry and verse.